Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to log into your WordPress dashboard directly from Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account. Then go to the websites page. On this websites page, you will see the available websites on your hosting plan. And next to each WordPress website that has this WordPress icon, you will see this WordPress admin button. To log into this WordPress dashboard, click on WordPress admin button. A new page will open up. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is how to log into your WordPress dashboard without having to fill in manually your username and password. That's all for this tutorial. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.